How to enable or disable talk to Bixby without wake up on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen, and from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we go down, and in here, tap on advanced features. Then tap on Bixby. Now scroll down, then tap on talk to Bixby without waking up. And at the top here, tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. Once you have turned it on, you can say things like answer phone or reject call to answer or reject the incoming call without you having to touch the phone. Or you can say dismiss alarm or snooze. For timer, you can say dismiss timer or restart. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.